Hello my friends and welcome to another exciting episode of Tech Tuesday. For those of you who may not know me, my name is TheJoshuaHaynes, and every Tuesday I talk about technology to make your life a lot simpler. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your Apple Airpods or your Beats headphones to actively read your messages and allow you to reply using your voice. So if you're interested, stick around and let's get into it. So before we start, you have to make sure you have the compatible devices. For the headphones, you have to either have the AirPods 2nd generation, the AirPods Pro, the Powerbeats Pro, or the Beats Solo Pro headphones. Those are the compatible headphones for this option. Once you make sure you have that, you need to either have the iPhone with iOS 13.2 installed or later, or your iPad with the iPad OS 13.2 or later. Those are the minimum requirements for this option to be featured. Now I'm going to show you how to turn on announce messages with Siri. So grab your iPhone or your iPad. This time I'm going to be using my iPhone and open the settings app. Once you have the settings app open, tap on notifications. Now what you need to do is turn on announce messages with Siri, just like that. With this feature turned on, Siri reads your incoming messages out loud when your headphones are connected to your iPhone or your iPad, you're wearing them, and your device is locked. Siri plays a tone, then announces the sender's name and reads the message. If a message is too long, Siri announces the sender's name and says only that they sent you a message. You can ask Siri to read the full message, or you can open your iPhone or your iPad to read it yourself. As you can see, Apple also offers customization options so that you can choose which contacts trigger Siri announcements. In the same settings, you can select from favorites, recents, contacts, or everyone, and you're able to customize it. To reply to messages, all you have to do is wait for Siri to read the full message. Siri will then listen for your reply, and you can say something like, "Reply, I'm on my way." When you stop talking, Siri reads your reply back to you and asks if you want to send it. You can have Siri send your reply immediately without reading it back first. If you want to do this, go to your settings, your notifications, announce messages with Siri, and turn on reply without confirmation. So in this case, I'll just turn that on, and then it won't confirm, and it'll just reply what it hears immediately. Well, that's all I have for you for today, but I hope today's video gives you some clarity and understanding of how you can use your Apple Airpods or your Beats headphones to work more for you and give you notifications without having to look at your phone. It's a great feature, saves a lot of time. You're able to multitask a lot more, especially when you're replying to messages just using your voice. It's a time saver, and it's great to have set up on your phone. So I hope it's very helpful, but as always, thanks for watching today's video, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for future Tech Tuesday videos. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week.